Yeah, good day wherever you are. This is the voice of Engineer Akindele Oluwaseun of Blockchain Maximization. Okay, um, this is EXA Finance. It's an it's an exchange of assets, both fungible and non-fungible. Non-fungible, the NFTs, fungible, the coins generally, right? So yes, there is a documentation for you to run a test net here. All right, this project is in the making and they are currently running a test net. So you have to do a few tasks on this particular project, and then you earn exact points per tasks that you complete. So I'm here to guide you on those tasks. So stay tuned and pay close attention, please. It is very important that you pay close attention. I have run this test more than 3 times, and this will be like the fourth time I will be running the test. Well, with a different wallet this time around. So I will want you to follow every step of what I do so that you will get to understand it. Please, I need your attention. Thank you. So the documentation is here to guide you, and I have made a comprehensive documentation already. Okay, the comprehensive documentation is already attached to the link in this video in the description. So do well to check the documentation more explained. All right, there are a few experiences I've added into the documentation to guide you to maximize the points you should make from this test net. So if you click on documentation, of course it will take you here, and it will guide you through all the step of the way. It is important, it is very important, it is very important. I note it is very important that you follow their Twitter, join the Discord. You can as well follow the LinkedIn if you have LinkedIn profile, but if not, it is not that important. What is needed is that you follow Twitter and Discord, but you can do well to follow their LinkedIn. And I went further to follow the three of them. Yes, to follow the three of them. Now, you can click on next. What is next? And what is next is telling you about EXA Finance. All right. EXA Finance exchanges tokens and non-fungible tokens. You can have a combination of two different non-fungible tokens and a token inside the same basket. It is called basket. So you add them together in the same basket and you can choose to exchange them for whatever you need. All right. So yes, um, that is that about. So let's go to the test net. So before we go to testnet, uh, you have to create a wallet. It is advised that you create a separate wallet. All right. It is advised that you create a separate wallet so that all the technical crew will be able to run through all the transactions. Okay. It will be much easier for them. One, then two, it will make it easy for them to be able to score you well. So yes, wallet.myalgo.com, access it. All right, continue, then put in your password. you know Welcome to Algo Web Wallet. Create wallet here. All right, so let me just look for a random password, uh something like this. Okay, so continue, and it will log you in. So never. So create new randomly generated wallet. All right, just create it. If you already have wallets in your web browser, okay, you see your wallet around here. If you have like 2 or 3, you see the list of them around this part of it. So you can as well just click on the add wallet here. It still takes you here. All right, it is the hard wallet here that takes you here, and then new wallet. And if you don't have already, of course it just brings you here, new wallet. So new wallet. Okay, you don't need to share your mnemonic phrase. Continue. So yes, These are the mnemonic phrases. Yours will be different. This is the one for this particular testnet. Note, this is already compromised, so you can always copy don't show yours to anybody, so you can always copy, right, and keep safe somewhere. All right, so I will just proceed and do the needful. Yes, I have written down the phrase, then continue. So it will ask me each of these words, then I put it in. All right, so yeah, I have pushed. Okay, so I have put the words. All right, I have put the words. So I can just name the wallet EXA Testnet. Okay, just for differentiation, you can choose any name you want. I just chose this for clarity. So create wallet, and that's it. And that's it. Done. So wallet is created. Yes. Now you have created your different wallet. That is that. Then you need to fund this wallet. All right. You need to fund this wallet you just created. Note, this is the wallet you just created, named EXA Testnet. You can always rename it, somewhere here. Yeah. So we are in the main net. We are in the main net right now. We are not we don't have any business with the main net. We created this wallet purposely for the test net. So you come here and select test net. All right. And you are now in the algo test net. Okay. So next we want to dispense testnet algo. Note that this testnet algo is just purely for testnet, for test purposes. Nothing else, nothing of economic value, nothing more other than testing. So please don't go accumulating algo testnet. All right? It has no value. There won't be at any point in time where you bridge it over to the mainnet. It is purely useful in testnet, which cannot be converted to any form of value. So please get it straight before you go and amass algo in massive form. Please don't go and abuse dispensers. All right, so let's go to the dispensers. So we are dispensing. We want to dispense into this new wallet. Okay, want to dispense into this new wallet. All right, so copy the wallet address. Okay, copy the wallet address. It is copied. Then come to any of these dispensers. All right, you are in step 3. Come to any of these dispensers. Copy link. Okay, remember you have copied the address. All right, and you have copied the dispenser's link. Come to this dispenser, then first verify. Okay, verify, and then the drill. Slide. Okay, then paste your address. Paste. Okay, paste your address, which is this ALGORAND. Copy. Okay, paste. Right, then dispense. Successful. That is 10 algo dispensed. Well, you can go a step further to refresh. Okay, you can go a step further to refresh. Paste the same address. Okay, do your verification. Slide to fit. Okay, then dispense. All right, successful. So you can do 2 or 3 times. Please don't abuse it. And you can go to the second dispenser, all right, and run the same process, just to have about 30-40 algo thereabout. You wouldn't need much. So you are done with funding your account with test algo. All right, can you see this is a testnet funding. Okay, so we can close this. We funded the account, because if you come back to the account, can you see that 20 algo has been funded, this that into the test net. So if I switch this account back to mainnet, can you see it has zero balance in the mainnet? Okay, so we are purely dealing with testnet. Good. So now that we have algo, we can interact with EXA finance testing. Okay, now that you are set for testing, launch the testnet app. Okay, once the testnet app, okay, test now. Once the testnet app is launched, connect wallet. You know the drill. You have to connect your wallet. Yes, the pop-up will come. Yes, type it in, connect. Then it is asking which wallet do you want to connect. Okay, if you have like 5 different wallets in this browser, it will list all the 5, but for now it is only one, so you just click on the one. Okay, this EXA testnet is the only one. I clicked on it, then I connect, and it connects. Now this is my wallet. Please note that we have some key aspects of this particular website, this particular finance website. We have the basket, and this is the basket we are in, the basket interface. Okay, if you want to create a basket, this is where you create basket. All right, you create basket here. That's basket. We have explorer. Explorer gives you the history of a particular transaction or a particular item or a basket, or explorer just gives, we know explorer, right? Yeah. Then wallet, you have wallet. This is the wallet. Okay, wallet, and you can choose to view your wallet by coming to see my wallet. Then it opens your wallet for you. Can you see it is telling you have a balance of 20 algo? This is your fungible token side, and this is your non-fungible token side, right? Your NFTs, and this is the coins, as the case may be. All right. So then bridges are on the way. All right. We are still going to test that in the coming future when the bridges are active for testing. Now let's start the main task. The first task, let's go back to basket. I'm back in basket. So the first task is that you mint an NFT. Okay, if you want to mint an NFT, you come to studio. This is your profile, this is notifications, but you come to studio to mint NFT. Minting NFT means that you want to bring pictures into the space. So click on it, click on the studio, then you mint your NFT. All right, so you put the name of the NFT, you put any number, any number. This unit does not represent quantity. It is just like a serial number you want to give to the NFT you are minting. Then you put a description. Then you can now upload the image by clicking here. You set your royalties. Okay, then you can choose to mark non-safe for work. Non-safe for work is more like pictures that are not safe for some kinds of environment. So if you mark it, the AI will automatically try to cover it or make it kind of like invisible until it is like interacted with. All right, so then you mint. That is how to open NFT. Let me do a quick one. Okay, so I have named the NFT Sena's emoji. I put in unit 001. So I can repeat this same name, right? I can repeat this same description. If I want to make them unique, all right, I can choose to, the next NFT I'm minting, I can make it 003, the next one 002, Next one 001. So for me, I will know that there are 4 I am minting. Okay, the subsequent one says 005, depending on the amount I target. But for now, we are running an example. You will do all that on your own. So you come here, you click on this, and it will open up a space for you to upload. All right, so let's say this is Sena's emoji, right? I select it in my drive, I open up, so it automatically opens it up. Then I adjust my royalty. I don't like 5%, more like I'm just cool with 2%. All right, so it's fine. Whatever you are cool with, you can decide to adjust yours to 10%, you can decide to make yours 15%, whatever. The point is, just mint an NFT for this sake of testnet. All right, mint. So once you mint, it will automatically pop up your wallet and you will do the needful. Note, from the first minting, it always kind of like asks for permission, or asks for, you know, pops up a kind of like a red alert. So it is left for you to attend to the red alert. Okay, it's quite slow. Mint. Okay, these are one of the bugs that one might likely report. It didn't pop up my wallet. It's a bug. All right. Okay. Okay, good. Now I'm selecting my wallet. Okay, good. So this is it. Sender's emoji. Continue. Sign in. Okay. So once it is done minting, it will tell me it has minted. So I would just like to delay a bit on this. Okay, so NFT minted, NFT minted. So you can repeat the same process. You close this, right? You close it. Note that you see it inside the wallet. If you click on it, can you see Sena's emoji 001? So if I go on and keep minting and repeating the same process, okay, it will keep giving me multiple NFTs of different kinds. I can mint the same picture all over again and give it different units, okay, maybe the same description. You just have to be creative with this. That will be on you. So you come, if you want to see, you come here, you see, you click on see my wallet. There are no fungible tokens in the wallet, but there will be definitely one non-fungible token, which is this, right? So let me try and create 4 others, and then we'll come back here. So yes, still in the studio, okay, minting NFTs. I have ended up minting 3 other Sena emojis, including a picture. All right, while minting this, it told me unable to blah 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 at 3 some. So that is a bug. All right, when you are running tests and you discover certain hindrances, they are bugs. Okay, but if you have certain observations, like, okay, let this exa.finance be down, let this basket be here, let's, for more visibility, write out this instead of icons, or for more simplicity, leave it this way. you know these pop-ups can always guide people, depending. These are feedbacks. All right, so feedbacks are totally different from bugs. Bugs are hindrances you encountered, technical hindrances you encountered, while um feedbacks are just your own suggestions. So it is important that you drop feedbacks. I keep stressing this again. It is very important. So yes, we have minted NFT. That is the first That is the first task. All right, in section 4, 4A, mint NFT. So this, if I come to the wallet and I see my wallet, non-fungible tokens, can you see these NFTs have been minted? All right. So yes, this is me, and this is my emoji. I think we look alike. Okay. So yes, since I've minted NFT, you can always come here to create basket. All right. Either you log into EXA Finance, EXA.finance, and you come straight to basket zone, you will always see your chance to create basket here. All right. Wherever you are, okay, except for profile also, if you are in studio where you are minting NFTs, you can still see. So it is fixed. This upper part is a fixed tab to a large extent across most interface. So which is a good one. So wherever you are, just click on this plus. All right. This plus is create basket. Now, there are two types of baskets: normal basket and basket on auction. Those are the two baskets. All right. So this is all the difference between normal basket and basket on auction. The moment you toggle this on, you have put the basket on auction. The moment you toggle it off, it is normal basket. That is all that there is. So whenever you want to create basket, you come to this create basket. All right, you come to this create basket, whichever way, create, then select the assets, okay, you want to sell. So automatically it will show you the assets you have. Okay, so let's say I am picking this one of them, 001. Okay, I have just one of that particular NFT, so I can type one. All right, or I click on max if I want to drop all of it. So if I have 10, this max will just drop all the 10, but I have a total of 1, so that is 1. Then I click on plus, so it has added it to basket. That is one NFT inside basket. I can go on and add as many tokens I want to add, either non-fungible tokens, which I just minted, all right, NFTs, or I had fungible token, which I have, which I gained from Testnet. So let me just add algo, say one algo, yeah, and I add. So can you see? So in the basket, I have an NFT and I have an algo. So I can go on and say, okay, let me add one more, maybe this, okay, 001 and 003. Let me make it 002. Okay, 001 and 002. All right, max had. So I have two NFTs here and one token. All right, so what do I want in return? So I search for what I want in return. So there's a space of adding ASSID, okay, ASAID, and note that you cannot get algo for algo. Algo is already here, so you cannot say you want algo. No, you will want another token. Okay, it is another token, because if you say you want to create, it will not even let you create. If it lets you create, it will tell you that you cannot have algo for algo. All right, it should be something else here that you should have for algo. The moment you have any other token here, you cannot have that same token that you have here inside this basket. You cannot have the same token for what you want. Okay, so you must have to want other things. Let me say in this case USDC. So I don't want much, so as to make people be able to buy. So 10 USDC, right? Okay, so I am creating basket. I am not creating basket on auction, so I will not toggle this slide bar on. Okay, so if I have a specific buyer in mind, all right, I can put the buyer's address here. it is only that buyer's address that will be able to buy this basket. That is another pretty thing about this app. Okay, it's only the buyer's wallet that I put here that will be able to buy this for 10 USDC. All right, so I can choose to set time for my basket and I can choose not to. Okay, that I set time for it does not mean that it is on auction. This toggle is only what makes it on auction or not on auction. Okay, so I can time it, I can choose to leave it like that. So I go on and then create, then start, and you run the process like that. Once you click on create, you click on start, it will pop up, then it will tell you to let go. Okay, this is just step one that is trying to do. It will ask you for step two. All right, so please bear in mind very well that it will ask you for step two. Okay, so continue. Yeah, so we gotta wait. So it is rolling. Okay, now, yes, it has pop up step two, seller deposit. So let's go. Then you run the same process. Okay, so after the whole approval, look what I got here. Basket created. That is how to create baskets. You can close, and then if you refresh the page, automatically your basket will be seen. All right, so there is one algo in this basket and two NFTs. There are two NFTs here. Okay, there are three NFTs here, and on and on and on and on and on. There is one here, there is one here, you understand, and there is just a token here, all right, fungible tokens, algo USDC. Okay, so this is basket created. Now let's create basket on auction, which is the next task. We run the same thing. Now note that these two NFTs are out of it. It is telling me 0, 0. All right, so yeah, let me just go on because I have listed them. Okay, same procedure. You already know. Same procedure. You already know. Let me just this time around probably add like 3 algo instead. Yes, add. Then what I want, okay, you can give me wrapped algo, say 25. I'm cool. With, okay, let me say 30. It's just testing. Okay, so because I am setting a basket on auction, I have to toggle this on. Okay, now note something. It will not let me create until I put time because I am auctioning. Auction has to do with time. Okay, auction has to start and end within a particular time frame. So I select the time I want it to end. I have the flexibility of choosing which time. Okay, say I want it to end in the next so hours. All right, so it keeps this date and then puts the hour there, or I can say I want it next day, next 2 days, next 3 days, next 4 days. I have the flexibility of switching to next month and all. So it is for you to play around with. Okay, so let me just leave it at this. Next few hours. Okay, then create. Then I run the same process. Start, activate it, then let go, and then it just runs itself. So yes, now let's go. I have approved for approval in my wallet. Then let's go. It will pop up my wallet again. Then I will approve. Then my tokens will pop up. Okay. Okay. So I have approved in the wallet for the second pop up, and that is it. You see. So basket created. the difference between the previous basket and this is this time left and the armor. If you notice this armor, this is an unction armor. All right, this armor is an unction armor, so it shows that this basket is on unction. Okay, so yes, we are done with it. So I can refresh the basket interface. Okay, so this particular EXA.finance is all about NFTs and FTs, that is non-fungible tokens and fungible tokens. So you can put them, match them together and transact them at limit and direct exchange. Okay, so with refresh, you can see this is my basket on unction. This is just my basket. And the next step says that we should remove the basket. So this is the basket, right? Click on it, select it, look at this basket, remove basket, and then approve. You run the same for basket on unction. All right, review and approve as per the first time. You click on agree, approve transaction, continue, type in your password, same routine. Then you run the same routine with your basket on unction. Okay, so you see automatically it has been removed. Run the same process with on unction and then it goes the same way. All right, this remove basket. Yeah, so it goes the same way. You approve. So for the purposes of now, purchase basket is the next task. And look at this is a basket, right? Going for 10 algo, and I have 19 algo, so I can just purchase it. So I click on the basket. All right, look at I click on purchase, right? And then I run the process. This particular basket contains 2 USDC and 1 NFT, right? So yeah, so I click on purchase, right? And then I run the process of purchase. So it should be in my wallet immediately after I purchase. Continue, blah blah blah, and oh, you already know the drill, right? Okay, so it is telling me unable to sign transaction, unable to purchase basket. Let me go back and see. Okay, it is here. Let me click on it. Okay, so these are the bugs we report. Unable to purchase, and then you drop your wallet and all. So while you run your task, there is no way. Okay, review and approve. I have to, yes. Being the first time, it will show me review and approve. Yeah. So these are the bugs you report. Just try to let them know the challenges you faced while running this application for them. Okay, it helps them improve better, and that is the essence of this testnet. The essence of this testnet is not to gather testnet tokens. They are testnet tokens. All right, they will never be on mainnet. Okay, basket purchased. All right, basket purchased. That's the good news. So it has notified me. It is in notification already, so I can always go back to basket, right? Yeah, I can refresh. You can refresh the basket and see, right? This is the basket. This is the basket zones, and these are individual baskets. All right, these are individual baskets that you can purchase, but these other ones are more like, they are more like unctions. Okay, so it can be hard to get baskets, ordinary baskets, because most testers don't even know that the essence of testing is to complete task, and that's all. All right. So then you start seeing ridiculous demands, ridiculous demands, and then people can't meet them. So these are more of unctions. So you can go on and search for baskets. If you don't see, as a blockchain maximization attendee or participant, of course, we know how we do it. One of us can always create basket for the other to purchase. All right. And if you are not a blockchain maximization participant, of course, you can tell your friend about it, or you can have double wallets that you use to create a basket that your main wallet for testing will buy. Okay, considering that other players in this game don't get the point. Most times they don't always get the point. So that is that. Um, we have purchased basket, so it should be in our wallet. Look at wallet, right? See my wallet. Okay, so this is the 2 USDC from the basket I just purchased. Can you see? It is part of my non-fungible tokens. Can you see? Yeah, and automatically it minted wrapped algo for me. It added the ASA ID for me in case the baskets I placed on sale get sold. I will get wrapped algo. All right. So yeah, non-fungible tokens, right? These are the ones I minted, and this is the one I bought. So can you see? So it's an NFT to NFT, fungible tokens to fungible tokens, mixture of fungible, depending on how you choose to create. Then bid a basket on auction. That is now 4G. 4G. We're in 4G now. Bid a basket on auction. So you go back to baskets again. So all you are dealing with is baskets, 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 baskets. So some baskets are on auction. Look at this. This is on auction. Do I even have enough algo? Oh, I have 9 algo. So let me go back to dispense site and dispense more algo. I'll be right back. Yes, so I've gone back to get what I need. I've got extra 30 algo. Yes, so just get what you need. That's all. It's testnet token, nothing more. So I can place a bid on this, right? I can place a bid on this. Okay, so let me just place a bid on this. Selecting it, right? Okay, so the last bid is 36, right? And I have 39, so I can just place a bid of say 36.2, right? Okay, it has like a day or so left. Then place bid, and that's it. So I have bid. Okay, I have placed a bid for basket on auction. That is it. So that's all the task that they need you to do for points. These tasks that you just did, from if you check my document, from task 1 to task 2 to task 3 to task 4, each of them has points, task points. Okay, unable to bid on basket. Oh, unable to bid on basket. I will just try and place the bid again. So these are the bugs you report. Okay, when you are doing your own testing, you will report quite a few. So it might be due to wrong password input, it can be due to anything, but as long as it gives you one or two, restrictions, technical restrictions, then you can always report it. Okay, so you need to get jotter and pen. Okay, just take note of one or two things you want to report. You can screenshot. Okay, it has finally placed bid. Okay, see my bid. This is my bid. It is identifying my wallet address. Can you see my wallet address as the wallet that placed the higher bid? So once this time is over, these assets come to the wallet. That's it. So that's how it's going to play out in the real in the mainnet once this project launches to mainnet. So that's all about all the tasks. So yes, please provide feedback, okay, in the link that I dropped in the Google document. Okay, provide feedbacks, uh, provide give critical bug reports. Just put one or two. Just one report is fine. One feedback is okay, relevant feedback, and that's it. So fill in the document. It is in the document attached to the link of this particular video. So please do the needful, and I hope this helps you understand it better. So I'm going back to the basket phase. Okay. Uh, Overall summary is you can always filter here. All right. You can always search. You can run through Explorer. You can go to remember. You can go to Studio to mint whatever kind of tokens you want to mint. Okay. Notification is always here. Okay, notification that I purchased this, So I click on the notification and it's going to give me a breakdown of what I purchased. This is wallet. If I want to see my wallet, I see the wallet here. Okay, okay. So, and if I want to disconnect, I disconnect. I'm done. So once I'm done, I need to fill. It is very important. I need to fill the form that provides relevant feedback. One, then two, I need to report critical bugs. It is not compulsory, but critical bugs carry most of the marks. So I will list out the marks for you in the description below so that you get to understand the essence of reporting critical bugs. So cheers. Hope to give you more videos, maybe anytime sooner. Love you. Bye.